Hello everyone, welcome back to Gitroid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Payday 3 is having disk write error on your Steam and how we can fix this error. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one, we have to allow the game to Windows security. For this reason we have to go over here in the search. We have to go for control panel. Now from here go for system and security, go for Windows Defender Firewall, go for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and navigate to P. So we have to scroll down and navigate to, so we'll be able to find Payday 3. Make sure both the private and public should be checked and it is added over here. So imagine the game is not here, we can add it by default. Click on the change settings, go for allow another app, go for browse, go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to program file x86, go to Steam. Now from here go to Steam apps, go to common. From here go to Payday 3. Over here you will be able to find the Payday 3. Select the Payday 3 and you can go for open and add it. So I'm getting the error because it's already added. So if the game is not here, this is how we can add it by default, and if the game is here, this is what you have to do. Once afterwards, just close this and we have to go back, try launching the game. Next one is all about we have to run the Steam as an administrator. So in order to run the Steam as an administrator, we can just go over here and search for Steam like this. Okay. Now you'll be getting this particular option, run it as an administrator, go for yes. So we got the Steam once again. Try this, it might work as well. Next one, we have to uncheck the read only on the Steam folder. So just go over here in the file explorer. Now from here go to this PC. Now expand this, go to local disk C. Now from here go to program file x86. Scroll down and navigate to Steam, right click over here and go to show more options and go to the properties. Now from here, as you can see, the read only is selected, you have to uncheck this. After this, go for OK, and what we need to do is just close this and we have to save it when you do this, and once afterwards try launch the game and that will be working fine. Next one, we have to clear the download cache. For this what we need to do is we just need to go over here in the Steam and we have to go over here in the settings. Now from here go to downloads and scroll down and navigate to, there will be an option called clear download cache. Tap on this and clear it, and once afterwards try launch the game and that will be working fine as well. Next one, we have to verify integrity of game file. So just go over here in the game, right click, we have to go to the properties, go to the installed file and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So once you click on this one, it will cross check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed, and this is what we have to do. Next one, we have to uninstall and reinstall the game. So just go over here, close everything. Now we need to uninstall the game, so just go over here, go to the manage, uninstall the game. For reinstalling it back, you should not be installing back on the same from which you uninstall, you have to try a new local disk. So these are the possible workaround which can be done when you are having this particular issue. I hope this video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.